Hi! Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it, click I accept and tap confirm. Then click continue and tap allow. Now you want to go with receive or LG Wing and send on an Android device. Normally you want to tap on all of those dots to send all of your files, but it will take a lot of time, so I will only go with this one song. So I have to tap on it, click send, tap got it, and from here you have two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will tap on the scanning icon, choose allow and scan the code because it's faster. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you wanna check it out for sure, you can go into further files. In my case, choose audio. And as you can see, my song is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!